Hello all. Today we are trying to learn how to read anything quickly to get the glimpses of any concept from the PDFs and textbooks or any notes or materials. So we can use NotebookLM. We can create an account and we can log in. Suppose this is my account. Previously I have created many things here. Suppose deadlock. What I have done, I have uploaded a document here, and here we can see the outlines generated by this NotebookLM. We can generate audio by just clicking on it. Video overview, we can get both brief as well as detail here. Previously, I have created brief by selecting enemy model, and I'll show you that. Here is that video.
Today, we're breaking
Well,
down a
explains
critical computer science problem you've likely experienced:
deadlock
deadlocks.
simplified way.
Believe it or not, this old railroad rule. So, what is it? Think of a digital traffic jam where nothing can move forward. Everything just grinds to a halt. So, how does this digital gridlock exact same time?
So it is
First,
able
at
to
least
give
one
us the key points from where we
strategies.
can start
Conditions can never
our
deadlock.
digital
Action and
reading
recovery. You just assume deadlock
easily.
are the problem.
That's
And
how
there's a
we
really good
simplify everything.
performance cost of preventing them is just too high. Basically,
Not only
constantly
that,
checking for deadlocks would
it's
slow
good
things down.
for the assistant professors and lecturers where they can simulate mind maps. It is giving us the mind maps from where we can explain the concept in a good way. I think I already have a mind map here. So this is the source. It is talking about the introduction, the basic definition. Whatever we want, we can get from here. If I click on this definition, that will be given in the left pane with the definition. So this is how we can use this tool to explain the concept, just like GPT. But we need a good stable internet connection. And yes, here we can see the necessary conditions and we can learn every single concept, we can explain every single thing. So I like this one, so I'm sharing this with you.